Three.
Hello everyone, this is me again, Aya Ismaili from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today we are going to explain to you at the clinic, Unit 12, period 7 and 8, page 26 and 27. Please follow me. Let's look at the first question in the page. Read and write, then use words from the word snake. Be careful what they wrote here. Word snake, to write about what is wrong with the children, and these are the children. First, I want you to look at this picture. What can you see here? I can see a snake, but why they called it word snake? Because in this snake we have some hidden words. I want you to find the hidden words and circle them. I will give you 1 minute to find them. Let's look at the answers. Check your answers with me. The first one they wrote for you, or they circle for you, fever. Now, this is what? Flu. Yeah. Complete. Stomachache with E. Be careful, don't forget E. And the other one, backache with E again. Here, sick. After that, you will find sore throat. 1 T. Be careful. And the last word is hidden is earache. Excellent. Please, everyone, check your answers. Be careful to circle the correct letters. Don't add any letter to them. Now, they wrote for us here, they wrote, write about what is wrong with the children. Here are the children. Do you remember them? This is who? Ben, Emmy, Rania, Omar. We said that they were sick and they went to the doctors. Now, I want you to write sentences about everyone. And you will use the words from here to write the sentences. They wrote for you about Ben. Look at Ben. What's wrong with Ben? Yeah, Ben has sneezed. He has had a backache. A backache. They took backache from here, from the word snake. Don't forget, when you write the sentence, to finish it with full stop. Now, write a sentence about Emmy, Omar, and Rania. You will write 3 sentences. I will give you 2 minutes to write. Yes, now start writing. I will show you my answers and you can check your answers. Maybe you have another answer. Now, let's look at Emmy. Look at Emmy. She has a cough. Full stop. She has had a cold. Don't forget again, full stop. Now let's write about Rania. Rania has a sore throat. She has had flu. Don't forget full stop. I forgot it here, okay? Yeah. Number 3. Omar has a fever. He has had an earache. Yeah, look at Omar. Why did I write earache? Because look where is his hand. And he has a fever. Please check your answers, check your spelling before we go to the second question. Now, look here everyone. Here we have another thing. Let's revise first the use of punctuation marks. We have capital letters. Where do we use capital letters? At the start of a sentence and a question. Look here, when I start with a sentence, what did I use? Capital S, because it's the start. She went to the doctor. Number 2, full stop. Do you remember where can we use full stop? Correct, at the end of a sentence. At the end. Number 3 is question mark. Where can I use question mark? You remember? When you ask a question, If you ask a question, at the end, what we put? Question mark. How are you? Where are you from? And many others. Number 4 is exclamation mark. Look at the exclamation mark. Look at it. We use it when you give strong feeling. If you like something, you will say, wow. Oh no, what's this? How beautiful. Yeah, you give your feeling if you are happy or not happy. So when you give strong feeling, don't forget to use exclamation mark. The last one is apostrophes. This is apostrophe. It is like comma, but we don't write it on the line like comma. We write it up. We use apostrophes for missing letters. Look here at this auxiliary verb. It is don't. What does it mean, don't? It means do not. But I don't want to write do not because it's too long. I can make it short by using apostrophe. Look, where is the apostrophe? Up, not down. And when you say it, you will not say do not, you will say don't. There is another example. Haven't, apostrophe. It is for have not. Aren't, the helping verb or verb to be, from are not. It is aren't, didn't. In all of them, we use apostrophe because these apostrophes are for missing letters. Yeah. Don't forget, apostrophe is up, not on the line. If you put it on the line, it will be comma, not apostrophe. Now, let's do the same in question 2 in our book. Write correct sentences. Remember, when I tell you write correct sentences, you have to use punctuation mark. Look at Rania. Rania has something to tell you. Remember, use a capital letter at the start of a sentence. Use a full stop at the end of a sentence. So at the start, what do we use? Capital. At the end of sentence, be careful, I said a sentence. We use full stop. Now, remember, we use an exclamation mark with strong feelings. Like when you say, I can hear that. Don't forget the apostrophes. For what? For missing letters, example, don't. Apostrophes, up, not down. Read the first question. Good morning. How long have you been sick? Now, let's write it correctly. This is example. I will write it with you. When you start, you must start with capital. So G must be capital. When you say to someone good morning, you show him your feeling. So what you will use? Correct exclamation mark. After exclamation mark, we must start with capital. How? H is small, we change it to capital. How long have you been sick? Is it a sentence? No. Can I put full stop? Of course no. It's a question, so I have to put question mark at the end. Now I have two other sentences. Please write them correctly. 1 minute and then we will check our answers together. Please check your mistakes. You're very hot. The doctor has just checked the thermometer. Now again, it's a sentence. We start with capital. Here means you are, so we have to put apostrophe. You're very hot. So this is a feeling, strong feeling. You have to use what? Exclamation mark. The doctor. Now we start. After exclamation mark, we start with capital. The doctor has just checked the thermometer and at the end, full stop. Now you will ask, what is thermometer? This is the thermometer. Can you see it? It's a tool. The doctor uses it to check your fever or your temperature, if your temperature is high or low. Now, let's read number 3. Oh dear, you don't look very well. Again, O capital. Oh dear, after it, exclamation mark. You will start with capital Y. Don't, what do we have again? Apostrophe. And when you say you don't look very well, is it a question or a sentence? Of course, a sentence. And we have to write at the end, full stop. Now, we finish period 7. Now, let's answer the last question for today. Let's read the question. Read and complete the sentences. Check your spelling. Here I want you to complete the sentences with correct words. The pictures can help you to find the correct answer for the sentences. You have 2 minutes to answer, then you can check your answers with me. Now, let's check answers. Let's start with number 1. Ben has sneezed. I said sneezed, not sneeze a lot since yesterday. Why sneezed, not sneeze? Because we have before sneezed has. And as I told you before, if we have has or have, we have to write the past participle form of the verb. Let's complete. Omar has had a fever. Yeah, fever. Now let's answer 2. Rania has a sore throat. And Amy has coughed all day, past participle. 3. I think both children have had colds. Colds, not cold, because we said both. The doctor said they should go home and stay in bed until they feel better. 4. Ben says, I've had a backache too. Hassan has had a stomachache all night. 5. The doctor says, I think there's a stomach bug going around. The last sentence. Here you are, Omar. I know you have been very thirsty. And poor Ben and Amy have been sick since yesterday. Now we have finished the question. And we have finished also what? The unit. I hope you understood everything. I want you to study this unit again before you start the new unit. See you soon. Goodbye.